Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me show you a multi-blender from Royal Catering. One of the most useful devices in a commercial kitchen, but not only, it's also great for home. So you can make your purees, juices or sauces, soups, creams, whatever you like. This device operates with 1500 watts, so it's quite powerful and very efficient. It will literally make sand out of rocks, so you can do anything in it, even crush ice. Alright, it has a 2-liter blender. It's made of plastic with a rubber handle for better grip. One more feature, very important for cleaning. Later on I will not be able to show you. You can unscrew the whole blending unit and take it out in order to properly wash it, and you can put it back in. There's one more safety feature, so the device will not operate until you put the jar on the mechanism. There's this safety right here. It will fit in one of these 4 knobs, so you can place the blender in 4 different positions as long as this will fit into the safety. Alright, so let's see this device in action. I prepared some carrots for a puree. Just pop it there. Pop some butter in. Butter helps emulsifying the whole thing. Pop the lid on. The lid is made of rubber. It just fits in these slots there for a really tight fit. There's this hole there. What it's for? Well, basically when you're blending and you want to add something in, that's what it's for. You can plug it in or use the plunger if your mixture is too thick and you just need a little bit of help. You can help it with the plunger. Alright, before I turn it on, let me just show you a couple of things on the display here. So first of all, you have the on and off switch, and then you have a set of buttons. So first of all, you can choose your speed. It goes from low through medium to high, and that's obviously in regards to rotation. So it goes between 15,000 to 38,000 rotations per minute. The bottom row is for seconds. So let's say, you're an expert, you have a recipe and you have a set time for blending, or you don't want to waste time and money and electricity for extra blending when it's not needed. There's also this pulse function. This means like every time you push the button, the device starts, and every time you release it, it will stop. This is very useful, especially when you have ingredients with different thickness, different hardness, and not enough liquid, and you just want to sort of move it around. Let's turn it on and see how it works. The device is on and armed, ready to go, and for my puree I just need sort of 90 seconds on the highest setting. There you go. Alright, my puree is ready, and it didn't even need 90 seconds to get there. Let's see the result. Open up the lid very carefully. As you can see, really nice and smooth puree. My personal advice, every time you're blending something hot, make sure you hold on to the lid, because when you blend something hot, it will expand as soon as you turn it on, and you may repaint the whole kitchen. If you're looking for a blender though, just have a look at the website. There's a variety of them on the offer. There's another jar blender with sort of different parameters, different display. Also a variety of stick blenders, hand blenders, so-called. So have a look, you will definitely find one that will suit your needs best. With this device you get a 3-year warranty, and the producer guarantees a safe journey by packing it in a really sturdy cardboard with styrofoam in it and other things to provide extra safety. Also inside you will find the instruction manual. Just make sure you have a read before you start the device first time. There's a lot of information on how to clean it, how to operate it, and how to maintain it. So please have a read. Alright, that's about it, what I have about this blender. If you're about to equip your kitchen, or if you're looking for a particular device, just leave me a comment in the comment section what else I should show you, and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.